Students, welcome to the class. Now we'll be doing exercise 1D, question number 1, part C, basic level. This is simultaneous linear equations, mathematics for class 8. The equation is 3x minus 2y is equal to 7, and second equation is 2x plus 3y is 9. So now we'll be solving this equation. Minus 2y is equal to 7 minus 3x. We will be taking plus 3x on the right hand side of the equalizer, it will become minus 3x. So y is equal to 7 minus 3x. Now minus 2, we will be taking minus 2 in the denominator. Now we will be multiplying, dividing numerator and denominator by minus 1. So minus 1 multiplied by 7 minus 3x and minus 1 multiplied by minus 2. So when minus 1 multiplied by minus 2, it becomes plus 2. When minus 1 multiplied by when minus 1 multiplied by 7, it becomes minus 7, and minus 1 multiplied by minus 3x minus multiplied by minus is plus. So minus 7 plus 3x divided by 2. Second equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 9, or 3y is equal to 9 minus 2x. Now we'll be using 3y is equal to 9 minus 2x, or y is equal to 9 minus 2x divided by 3. So in the previous equation, we are having 2 in the denominator. So we'll be using the value of x minus 2, 0 and 2. If x is equal to minus 2, then equation becomes minus 7 plus 3x divided by 2 is minus 7 plus 3 multiplied by minus 2 divided by 2. So minus 7, 3 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 6. So minus 7 minus 6 divided by 2. So minus 6 minus 7 is minus 13, minus 13 divided by 2, y is equal to minus 6.5. Now we'll be moving on the next part, that is if x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 7 divided by 2, or y is equal to minus 3.5. So if x is equal to 2, minus 7 plus 3x, instead of writing x, we'll be writing 2. 3 2s are 6. So minus 7 plus 6 divided by 2. So minus 7 plus 6 minus 1. So minus 1 divided by 2, y is equal to minus 0.5. Now we'll be completing our table, that is the value of when x was minus 2, y was minus 6.5, x was 0, y was minus 3.5, x was 2, y was minus 0.5. Second equation, y is equal to 9 minus 2x divided by 3. We will be using the value of x minus 3, 0 and 3, because in denominator we are having 3. So if x is equal to minus 3, put the value of x in the equation. 9 minus 2 minus 3. So when minus 2 minus 3 multiplied, it become plus 6. So 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 divided by 3. 3 was in the denominator. So y is equal to 5. So x was 0. So 9 divided by 3. Y is equal to 3. Now if x was 3, 9 minus 2x divided by 3, so y is equal to 9 minus 2 3s are 6. So 9 minus 6 is 3, 3 divided by 3 is y is equal to 1. Completing the table, minus 3, when x was minus 3, y was 5, x was 0, y was 3, x was 3, y was 1. So the previous table, we were having x minus 2, y minus 6.5, x 0, y was minus 3.5, x was 2, y was minus 0.5. Now we'll be drawing this graph. This is the graph for the equation y is equal to 9 minus 2x divided by 3, and this is the graph y is equal to minus 7 plus 3x divided by 2. They both graph coincide at 3 and 1. So 3 on x-axis, this is x-axis, 3 on x-axis, and 1 on y-axis. So value of x is 3 and y is 1. So if we put 3, so 3 2s are 6. So 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 divided by 3, y is equal to 1. So hence we have checked the answer. Now we'll moving on to question number 1, part D, basic level. 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. Taking 3x on the right hand side of the denominator, it becomes minus 3x. So 2y is equal to 4 minus 3x. Y is equal to 4 minus 3x divided by 2. 5x plus y is equal to 2. Taking 5x on the right hand side of the equalizer, it will become minus 5x. So y is equal to 2 minus 5x. Now we'll be using the value of x from minus 2, 0 and 2. If x was minus 2, equation is y is equal to 2 minus 5x. Y is equal to 2 minus 5 and in the bracket minus 2. So when we multiply, it become minus 5 multiplying with minus 2 is plus 10. So y is equal to minus 2 plus 10, y is equal to 8. If x is 0, y is equal to 2. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 minus 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. It becomes minus 10. Minus 10 plus 2 is minus 8. Completing the table, x was minus 2, y was 8, x was 0, y was 2, x was 2, y was minus 8. Now, when x was minus 2, for the equation 4 minus 3x divided by 2. So, we will be writing minus 2 instead of x here. So minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 is plus 6. So, 4 plus 6, 10 divided by 2, y is equal to 5, f x is equal to 0. Then 4 divided by 2, y is equal to 2. If x is equal to 2, 4 minus 3 multiplied by 2, 6, it becomes minus 6. 4 minus 6, 4 minus 6 divided by 2. So 4 minus 6 is minus 2, minus 2 divided by 2, minus 1, y is equal to minus 1. So completing the table, x was minus 2, y was 5, x was 0, y was 2, x was 2, y was minus 1. Now, we will drawing the graph of this question. Both the tables and these both points coincide at 0 and 2. It means that when value or at x-axis or value of x is 0 and value on y-axis it's 2. So, you can check the answer when y is equal to 2 minus 5x, x is 0, 0 multiplied by 5 is 0, y is equal to 2. So this is the point. This is the equation y is equal to 4 minus 3 divided by 2. And this second equation was y is equal to 2 minus 5x. Now, we'll moving on question number 1, part F, basic level. Equation 3x minus 4y is equal to 25. 3x minus 25 is equal to 4y. Now, this is minus 4y. We'll be moving 4y on the right hand side of the equalizer and we'll moving 25 on the left hand side of the equalizer. If this is positive 25, it becomes minus 25. So, 3x minus 25 is equal to 4y, or y is equal to 3x minus 25 divided by 4. Because 4 will be moving in the denominator. Second equation, 4x minus y is equal to 16. 4x. Now, what we did, take the minus y on the right hand side of the equalizer, and this is 16. This is on the right hand side of the equalizer, it will be moving on the left hand side equalizer. So, the equation becomes 4x minus 16 is equal to y, or y is equal to 4x minus 16. So, we are having 4 in the denominator, we will be using values x minus 4, 0 and 4. So, x was minus 4, put the value minus 4, 3 minus 4, 3 multiplied by minus 4 is minus 12, minus 25. So, divided by 4, answer is y is equal to minus 9.5. So, x was 0, 3 multiplied by 0 is 0, minus 25 divided by 4. So, answer is y is equal to minus 6.25, minus 6.25. X is equal to 4, put the value instead of x, 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, 12 minus 25 divided by 4, minus 13 divided by 4. So, answer is y is equal to minus 3.25. So, we will be completing our table, that is when x was minus 4, y was minus 9.5, x was 0, y was minus 6.25, x was 4, y was minus 3.25. Second equation, y is equal to 4x minus 16. So if x is equal to minus 4, y is equal to 4 into minus 4. Minus 16 minus 16 minus 16 is minus 32. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 16. So 4 multiplied by 0 is 0. If x is equal to 4, y is equal to 4 into 4, 16, but this is positive 16 and this is negative 16. So cancel out positive 16 with negative 16, y is equal to 0. Completing the table, when x was minus 4, y was minus 32, x was 0, y was minus 16, x was 4, y was 0. Now we will be drawing the graph. Now we have drawn the table of both equations, and both this point coincide at when x was 3, this is x-axis 3, and this is y-axis minus 4. This is the point where both the lines of the equation coincide. So this is the initial point of the equation minus 4 and minus 9.25 of equation y is equal to 3x minus 25 divided by 4, and this is final point 4 and minus 3.25. Initial point of this equation y is equal to 4x minus 16 is minus 4 and minus 32, and their final point is 4 and 0. This is their final point, this is their final point, 4 and 0, 4 and 0, final point. So consider at 3 and minus 4. So you can check the answer, put x equal to 3, y is equal to minus 4. In this equation, y is equal to 4x minus 16, y is equal to 4 into 3, 12. So 12 minus 16 is minus 4, so y is equal to minus 4. This is minus 4, so right hand side is equal to the left hand side. With this, we have come to question number 1. End of question number 1. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.